Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate a tool which I have developed. This is a very advanced level of tool. Okay, so with the help of this tool, you will find exact reversal of a reversal point or basically reversal time where the price will turn into the opposite direction. Okay, so now I'm just demonstrating this tool for the three indices, one for Nifty, another for Bank Nifty, third one is Sensex, right? But here I have plotted like if you see you I have considered the four data point here, one for this gray color for the Bank Nifty, gray color for the Bank Nifty, gray color for the gray for the this gray for the Bank Nifty, and this one for Nifty, and green one for the Sensex. And this is the Sensex price. This is the Sensex live price. Basically, this is the how the price changing with respect to time. As you can see, this is the time. So as our Indian market open 9:15. After 9:15, how the time is behaving. Okay, how the price behaving with respect to time. Okay, so then this data and you see this window we have this there is no information is filled. Okay, so as market open and you whenever the point whenever the time is whenever the price is reversing, then you will see the information in this table. Okay, otherwise you will not get any information in this table. So you see this is the we have considered here the time. Basically you will find the time where the trend change will when the trend will change. Okay, for these asset, whatever asset we have selected, as what asset we have selected here, we have selected three assets, one Nifty, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Okay, so and we have the multiple confirmation. You see one parameter here and here. Okay, so now you see this is the one and this is the Bank Nifty, this is the Sensex. Okay, yeah, so now you can have a look. Yeah, wait, I'm just scrolling down. You will find the where you will get the reversal. You see from the starting point of the market, there is no as you see from the starting point, you see here the market is open. This market there is no change. Market has continued the previous trading session trend. Okay, so there is no point of reversal till 9:15. You see there is no reversal. Okay, there is no reversal happening in any asset like the Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty gray color and green color for the Sensex, and this blue color for the Nifty. Okay, you see there is no change up till this point. Okay, till 10:30 10 even there is no change, right? 10 reversal mean basically whenever the point is start from here. So if the price again come back break this point, then we see that the trend is reversed. Okay, so till that we assume there is no reversal. Okay, till this point there is no reversal. Okay, so as suppose here from here there is no reversal. If you assume here there is a point, and this point, if this point is coming back and going back, so then we can see this is the reversal point. Okay, so from here there is no reversal, just by this price is the price is continue the previous trend. Okay, so till 9:15 you can have a look direct, or you can also match in your chart for the particular with respect to particular asset. Okay, now I'm just going direct around 10 p.m 10 a.m. Okay, so there is no reversal till 10 today in the market. Okay, you see we have not found any information here. Okay, so you see you can have a look. I'm just scrolling down. Okay, there is no reversal 10. Okay, so no, yeah, so I'm just scrolling down again. Okay, so we are not finding any change in the our in the seat. Okay, so till now 11 now we reach up to 10. Okay, till 10 11:30 we couldn't find any information. So we found 12 o'clock, okay, 12 o'clock and 12:30. You see 12 o'clock till 12, if you have a look this trend, if you have a look this trend, so this is the chart of, this is the chart of this is the chart, this is the indication for the bank nifty 50. So you can see 10, you can have a look the chart, okay, in your charts you can find the, at this time there is just some change in the candle, there is just, okay, you can see the reversal, okay. If we match the time, match with our data, you see this 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock somewhere here, 12 o'clock somewhere, you see here this point is happening here, okay, that's indication mean, but still there is no, we cannot go, because our we can generally we can assume the trend will reverse when it will cross this again this point, okay. If cross this point, then we can see the trend is reverse, till that we assume the market is in the same trend, okay. So there is a small change here, but we need to have the another confirmation, okay. So now see again, there is no change, there is no change, market just open and it's going up and up, okay, till the, for the for the this for the nifty 50, okay. But we can see another one, so also they have done the same thing, okay, there is no change. Let's have a look the what happened after 12. But you see 12 o'clock there is a change in the there is a change in the nifty, along with the nifty you need to look into the bank nifty also, bank nifty and sensex, okay. So all are inter yeah, all are interrelated, right? So then if you see here, and you can have a look the bank nifty in parallelly, this is the bank nifty, okay. But this signal I mean nifty has shown here, but you need to look into the bank nifty also, okay. So if bank nifty some changes, then nifty, it will reflect in the nifty also, right? Yeah, because some stock are listed. You see 12 o'clock, at 12 o'clock bank nifty, if you see in your chart, it will show the some kind of reversal point, 12 o'clock in the okay, in the bank nifty, okay. So yeah, so in the bank nifty, so but the trend still is positive side, okay. Only the whatever the trend market has following from the since the market open, okay, in that particular. But you see there is just some reversal here, something has changed here, you need to look into that. If we zoom it, exact picture will come here, okay. So but we got the time, upper motto to analyze this, to get this point, to get this time, we got the this time, okay, time window. So we have that this time window, okay, right, 12 to 12:05 you can assume. After that you can have a look on your chart, okay. So now again I am just moving one change, right. For to making any, yeah, so any entry you need to have the multiple confirmation, okay. We cannot go with by one confirmation, we have the several confirmation, okay. So you see still we couldn't find here any information, any further change. And you can have a look, right, it's also indicating on the chart, right. So there is no change here till here, but only change is here in the bank nifty and some sense, this is the sensex, some change in the sensex also, okay. You can have a look, okay, till that, till 1:30, now we are in 1:30 p.m, okay. If you see the 1:30 is the here, so you can have a look the 1:30 or the some change in the bank nifty here, it will reflect in your yeah, on your bank nifty chart, okay. So next, yeah, you see here, because sometime there is just some data delay, so there is just some data delay, so that's what this data, so it will reflect 1 to 2 minute plus minus, okay, okay, when it will only delay into 2 to 3 minute. So that suppose data is delay, this it should be come the here, right. So that's what this, yeah. So here you will find the in sensex, you see you find the some change in 1:30, you see the change in 1:30. So and you can see the sensex chart is green here, 1:30 somewhere here, you see the 1:30 point here is indicating this were 1:30 point, earlier it was this point, but is clearly now this is the reconfirmation, trend change reconfirmation came here, the green color, and starting from 3, basically start from 30, You can see we found a earlier also one point. Okay, so wait a minute, I'll show. Yeah, 130 around. Yeah, somewhere we got here some point here. Basically this data you need to if you want to exactly, yeah, if you want to find the exactly point of reversal, then you need to give the entire exact point which you are comparing. I have taken the 1 to 3% of confidence limit, so then I have taken the 1 to 3% variation, so that's what some little 1 to 3 minute delay. Okay, so yeah, because this data is used, so then sometime we analyze the data processing, it takes some time. So basically this I am doing on the Google Sheet. Okay, yeah, so you see 130 we gone up to here, 130 here, this point. After see 130 180 right here, you see the point of reversal here. So time, if you see, this is the time window here at this point, and you see here also, here also, at this point you can have the reversal in the indices. Okay, you can check on the chat, on the chart. So after that you see we couldn't find any reversal. The trend is following the same trend change and then following the same direction again. So again in the Sensex, the point it's shown here. So that the time is 152 to 150. You see the 150 p.m. to 155 p.m. There is a trend change indication in the Sensex here. So this is the time here. Where is the time here? This is the time. This is the time here. As you see here, I told you here there is a change here at this point. After you see this, you get the confirmation. The now price will make a reversal. Okay, in advance. So then you can plan your entries. Okay, so then you can find how much size you are playing and what are the risk, and you need to manage your risk and what are the risk you are taking. So then you can plan your entry in advance. After that it will give you reconfirmation, so then you can plan. Okay, reconfirmation here at this point. Okay, so yeah, you got the reconfirmation. See here 2 o'clock, that is indication. You see there is a reconfirmation here again and again. So after that you have the you can make a entry here. Yeah, right, 2 o'clock around. So then and all indices are showing the same behavior. That's what is the purpose. That is the purpose to analyze the data simultaneously. As you know, all the indices are interrelated. If one index is affecting, some changes is happening, then another will affect. Okay, because they are some interrelated. Okay, all the indices here like Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 and Sensex, because some of stocks, some of equities are involved with both. Okay, yeah. So see, you see that trend has changed around 2 p.m. something. You can assume here at this I told you 2 p.m. something. You can plan your entry, right? So after that you see here again is going the back, and where the next 10 change next something is happening. It's very sensitive. I think I need to take this. Yeah, yeah, this is the cursor, I think. Yeah, yeah. See, you see here is going up. We need to go down right here. We can control it because actually I forgot my mouse somewhere, so it's very sensitive. Yeah, we came here. So from the 2 p.m. So from the 2 p.m. We make our entries here. So in right here in the Sensex, you see in the Sensex, okay, 2. After that you see there is just some reversal point is here 2:30, right? So after this entry is starting from 2 p.m. You can plan in yeah, right, in advance. So then you always keep an, yeah, yeah. So after that you see there another trend change in the 2 to around to 150. You see 152 p.m. 152 p.m. to something around you can assume 155. So this is the point here. So you can make entry here, then up to here, this point you can capture here 50 here. So again there is a reversal. Okay, again there is a reversal. This system already indicating you. Okay, then you can make again another you can basically, this is very helpful when you, if you miss the entry at the initially. So as you know, the price always, it will not go one way, it will retrace, basically it will come back, then you have the another opportunity to make a re-entry. Okay, so then this was the re-entry point here at this place, this whatever that is 150 to 155. Okay, at this place. Oh, no, 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 no. We are going here, far, right? 155. So basically here, we are here, right? Yeah, there is, yeah. So again, we are going. Yeah, we have done this one. We already reach up to here. So we are 250. We are 250 here. Yeah, we came here. So you see, we with 250 also we found the reversal here. Okay, you see here 250 something. Again, our system is indicating the trend has will be change. Okay, here see 350, yeah, see 3 p.m. So you see here 3 p.m. the trend has been changed already. It's a system hour is indicating in advance. Okay, so then you can make a re-entry. So as you know, 3 p.m. candle is the closing candle. So there is some fast movement in the market. Okay, so basically my purpose to demonstrate here. So this system is very accurate, and you will find the exact reversal timing. You see the timing, you see, you can find the time exactly, then you can make you can plan your entry in advance based on this data. And you already know this is the exact point where you will get the reversal. So that suppose as you see here, you have found that one around 130 or 40, and it will to the, I think, 155. There is some scalp, it can be done very good, right. So yeah, this some is scalp is, it can be done here, some scalping is can be done here. Suppose and also you can make your entry. Suppose as you know, you if you make your entry at the initially, as you know, there is no reversal in the price, right, whatever asset you are following. So from here you can make your entry. So that the previous, suppose the market has started continuing the previous session price, so that trend. So then you can have the, there is no missing out, right, there is no FOMO. So then you can make a yeah, then you have the confirmation, you can go along with the trend. Okay, so after that, yeah, so yeah, here, but the trend is always positive from the, if you make the entry here. Suppose you miss the you miss the your entry here. Suppose you want to make a trade, then you need to find the somewhere you need to enter. So that is very important. Entry is very important to the market. If your entry is wrong, then you will not yeah, entry is very important. So that entry point, this system will give you the perfect entry, and there is no missing out, there is no fear of missing out here. So yeah, this is very advanced level of system which I have developed. So yeah, so yeah, thank you for listening, thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to give the more clarity. If you have anyone, if anyone have the any questions, okay, so then I will be happy to respond. Okay, thank you.